Want to enable this feature if you are using Windows 11 or 10? So this is very simple. You just need to go start button, click on setting. After that you can click on window privacy and window security. Then you can need to go protection area, click on virus and threat protection. You can see here scan option. So there are 4 scan options. You have to choose Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. What it will do, some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove from your device. Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan can help find and remove them using up-to-date threat definitions. This will restart your device and will take about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, you are able to see that the Defender option will be active, and it will help to protect from the threats. So if you like this video, you can subscribe the channel and like the video, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.